Hi, welcome to another lesson for grade 4 mathematics. And today again we are going to learn a Venn diagram. In our last lesson we learned about how to make a Venn diagram and we learned some basic vocabulary words about Venn diagram. In this lesson we will learn about making Venn diagram for more than two overlapping sets. Like here you can see in this first question, there are three circles which actually represent three groups. So it means we will learn about three groups when they are overlapping. Before moving to the question part, first carefully look at these three circles. This circle, which I will name it as circle A, I think it will be better if I will give it circle A name. This is my circle A. This is the blue color one is circle B and the green color one is circle C. You can give your own name. Giving the name to an object in mathematics always make your work easy, especially when you are sorting it out into groups or into other data distributions. So that will be easy for you. So if I look at this region that right now my pointer you can see is over this region. In this region will be the common part for A and B. In this region, which is actually including blue and green region, it will include the common region for B and C. And here this region which is for green and yellow, it will have the common region for A and C. And this region which I'm going to tick here, it is for all three. So it means if anything which will have all these three qualities, we will put it here. If anything which will have the qualities of A and C, we will put it here in this region. If anything will have the qualities of A and B, we will put it here in this region. And if anything has only separate qualities, then we will put it according to its qualities of the data. So let's move now to the question after understanding how we will sort out the things in three overlapping sets, three overlapping groups. The question is saying, look at the children below. You can see here we have 9 children in this diagram shown. Their names are written as Sophie, Sun, Edith, Yutu, Philip, Antonella, Petra, Norman, and Tapu. These are 9 children, and about them, what we have to sort out, we have to sort out them on the basis of their curly hairs, glasses, and earrings. Some of them may be having all these three qualities. Some of them, for example, one may have curly hair only, one may have only wearing glasses, one may have wearing only earrings. Maybe a person with curly hair wearing the glasses as well, then we will put it here. So accordingly we will sort them out. So let's first sort them out in the category of curly hair and glasses and earrings. If we look at the Sophie, she is having the curly hairs, but she is not wearing glasses, she is not wearing earrings. So I will put Sophie here in this category of the curly hair only. So Sophie will be written here. The next one is Sun. If you look at Sun, not having curly hair, not wearing glasses, and even not wearing any earrings. So Sun will fall out of these three groups. It will uh, he will not be the part of any of these. So I will write Sun out of these. So Sun will be written here. The next is Edith. Edith is wearing glasses only. His hairs are not shown. He hide under the turban. So we can only see he is wearing glasses. So I will write the name of Edith in only glasses category over here. So Edith will be here. The next one is U2. If you look at the U2, not having the curly hair but wearing the glasses only, and we cannot see any earrings. So U2 will also be in the only glasses category. So let's write U2 here. Next, Philip. Philip is wearing glasses and also having curly hairs. So I will write the name of Philip here because having both properties, wearing glasses and having the curly hair as well. And next, Antonella. Antonella is, we can't see any earrings and not the curly hair even, so she will be out of this group. So I will write her name here, Antonella. And next name, Petra. She's wearing glasses, not earrings, so Petra name will also be here. Oh, next we have Norman. Norman is wearing glasses and have the curly hair as well. So his name Norman will be here. I'm writing shortly as NR because I'm not having much space. So shortly for Norman, I am giving a short as NR. You can write full name. And then next last one is Tapu. She's wearing earrings. You can see here. She's wearing earring. So I will write her name over here in this category. So she is wearing earrings only, not wearing glasses, not having curly hairs. So the Tapu name will be here. So this is how we sort out our all 9 students in this 3 sections of overlapping circles. This next question is from page 41 of your learner's book. The question is saying draw the Venn diagram and look at each section. You can draw it separately in your notebook, or we have the space here already in the book. So let's see what we have to do here. It's showing 3 sections, multiples of 2, multiples of 5, multiples of 10. So again, you should know that using the same rule that we have done in the previous question, if any number is a multiple of 2 only the multiple of 2, and you know what is the identification of multiple of 2, it will have at the end any even number. So only multiple of 2 we will write here, only multiple of 5 will be here, and only multiple of 10 will be here. If any number is a multiple of 5 and 10 both, it will be here. If any number is multiple of 2 and 10, it will be here. If any number is a multiple of 2 and 5 both, it will be here. And if any number is a multiple of all 3, it will be here. So an identification test for the number which is multiple of 2, 5 and 10 at the same time will be the number ending with 0. If a number ends with 5, it will be the multiple of 5 only. If a number ends with an even number except 0, then it will be only the multiple of 2. So what we have to do is think of the number that could go in each section. If there is a section that cannot have any number, explain your reasoning to your partner or the group. So what we have to do, and the next half if we read, it's saying mark a small cross on your diagram where you think there may not be any possible number. So as we have to mark in case we don't have the number, so better if I will remove these sticks before completing this question. So let's start. The multiples of 2, as you can see, there are unlimited numbers of multiples of 2, so that's why we will write only few multiples of 2, because the question is not bounding us to write a certain number of multiples of 2. So I can restrict myself to few multiples of 2. So I will restrict to first 10 multiples of 2 up to the table of 2 up to 10. I will restrict. Same case I will take with 5, or better I will write few numbers only instead of writing all, because there are unlimited multiples of 10, multiples of 5 and multiples of 2 if we consider all natural numbers with us. So let's begin. First I will try to write the numbers which are multiples of 2, 5 and 10, multiples of all of these. So I will write them here in this section. So that number can be, the first number which is multiple of all of these is of course 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is 40. I will write the 50 as well, and so on. Many numbers can be. So I'm keeping myself maximum till 50. After 50 I will not write any number in this Venn diagram. There can be lot of many numbers a lot of other numbers as well. But if I will start writing, it will take a lot of time and the video will go more longer. Now, I will write some number which are multiples of both 2 and 5. The multiple of both 2 and 5 will have at the end 0 actually, that we already write in this section. So it means in this section there will be no number which we already missed here. So it means I will put a cross here because already we write the numbers here in this section. So the question is saying if you are not going to write any numbers in any section, put a cross over there. And for the common numbers of multiples of 2 and 10, they will again have at the end 0 uh, for their common if we have to go for. So that already we write actually here, the numbers having 0 at the end. So I will put a cross here. Even in this section also no need to write because we already write the numbers here. So we don't repeat the numbers in Venn diagram when we are writing in the Venn diagram. And then next comes some multiples of 2. I will write like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 already we write, so I will not write. We will not repeat the numbers in the Venn diagram. Then 12, 14, 16, and so on. There are so many other numbers that are multiples of 2. Only the multiples of 2 accordingly. And then multiples of 5, I can say 5, 10. 10 already we write. 15, 20 we already write. 25, then 30 we already write, and so on. There are so many other numbers which are multiples of 5. And then comes multiple of 10. All the multiples of 10 actually we write already here. 10, 20, 30. So it means in this section we will not write any number because already all the numbers we wrote them here. And the common number, the multiples of 5 and 10 both again will have 0 at the end. So we write these numbers already. So in this section also there will be no number. So this is how we will complete the Venn diagram. Here next on the same page you have some questions. Place the whole numbers from 1 to 30 in the correct section of your Venn diagram from question 2. It means in this question what you have to do is you will draw a similar Venn diagram. You have to draw a similar Venn diagram in your notebook, and then you will sort out the numbers from 1 to 30. Now you have a selection of the numbers from 1 to 30, so you have to put the numbers accordingly in the Venn diagram. When you will take the 3 overlapping circles, that will be, and then you will have a rectangle outside. So here you will write the multiple of 2, here you will write the multiple of 5 and multiple of 10, but the number restriction is from 1 to 30 only, and then you will complete it. And the next question you have to do it as your homework. Question 4 is place the numbers below in the correct part of your Venn diagram. Explain your reasoning to your partner or the group. So again you have to place the numbers in the correct part of your Venn diagram. You have to draw a similar Venn diagram, and these numbers now you will place in the Venn diagram accordingly. So this divisibility test that I explained you in the beginning will help you to put these numbers in the similar Venn diagram. So hopefully you understand this lesson, and if you have any doubts you can contact me. Inshallah, see you in the next lesson with a new topic. Assalamu alaikum.